Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we only using one because you guys are beginners. You're just trying stuff out, see if it works for you, all that good stuff, right? Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, links will be in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in particular. And the reason I like the $25 business is because it has recurring commissions, and it's 80% recurring commissions, really high. And in fact, every product in the company is 80% commissions. Alright guys, but this is recurring commissions for two different products. One will give you $100 per month, one will give you $20 per month, and $25 bid to give you $20 per month. So it's just a really good recurring commission, guys. So anyway guys, let's look at our results here. We're gonna refresh the page to show real results. Don't believe results if they don't refresh the page, guys. It's very easy to change all this around. Alright guys, so let's do it. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, guys. Not a big deal. So what I want you guys to do, if you're interested in following along and doing exactly what I'm doing here, because I'm making money off of this, 4.7 thousand right here. So what you want to do is you're watching this video, I need you guys to pause the video if you're interested, right? You pause this video, you go down, and then you go to the description. When you see the description, you hit show more, and it's going to be step one. Say join my 25 all-in-one digital business. And once you click on this link here, guys, it's going to take you to this page here. This page is just going to explain the $25 business, how much money you can make, how easy it is to scale your business, because 80% recurring commissions gets people in it, and you're making money. All right. That's all what that's about, right? So once you do that, right, what you're gonna want to do is click on yes I want in. Once you click on yes I want in, it should take you to this page. Alright, so when you get to this page here, now you may have a video that plays that shows you, that tells you exactly what you're purchasing. It didn't load up for me that time, but that might play for you guys and tell you all about the product and stuff. Make sure that you're not confused first, you know, and then it takes you here so we can purchase the products here and get the $25 business right here. Now what this is here, you might see this. What is this right here? The $125 per month that you pay right here. Now this right here, it is HBA Premium. It's all about traffic, learning how to get traffic, get lead sales and all that good stuff, and getting people into the system. Now what you want to do is click on yes, add 14-day free trial test drive to my order. You want to click on that, you get it for free for 14 days, and then it's $125 a month. Now this is the $100 commission you get every month. Now let me explain something real quick like to you guys. You have to have the product in order to get the commissions for it. That's why I recommend going ahead and clicking this so you can make all your money, you know what I mean? Nobody else is taking it. And simply, I'm trying to, for example, if you buy the $25 business and don't click this, right, which is totally fine, and then you get somebody in the system, they get the $25 business and they start paying $100 for this right here, you won't get that $100. So that's why I want to show you guys that. So anyway, that's all there is to that. But once you sign in, paid, and all that good stuff, whatever you decide, you'll get to a page with something like this. Well, something like this at the top here, right here, right? And what you want to click on is the affiliate zone. You want to click on the affiliate zone, then you want to scroll down. By the way, there's videos explaining every single step I'm talking about. I'm just kind of giving you a flash forward version of it, a real quick one. So you want to sign in for the affiliate program here, right guys? That's gonna take you to this page here. You just put in all your information, right? And eventually you'll get to a page that looks like this. Sound card. You'll get to the sound card login. All right. So you log in. Now the reason we're here is to get our link. We want our all-in-one $25 business sales letter. Now that's what you want. This is this page here, guys. That's the page. That's what you want. You want this right here. Now, once you do that, guys, you want to go back to my video. You want to come back to my video. There's going to be a second link here. Say step 2, join my lead gen secrets here. You click on this, guys. You want to click on that real quick. Boom. It's going to take you to this page here. All right. So this is a 7-minute video you can play to learn about the $25 business. But long story short, they give you 100 leads every single day. Now, these leads are cold, but they're interested in making money. And you mail them every single day. Eventually, they're going to try your product. And our product is like the best. So, why not? So, anyway, sign in, make your account and stuff. I'm going to log in real quick. Very short process. You made an account on any website before. You know exactly what to do. You get to this page here. You'll log in, get to this page here. Now, you can click on your leads and look at your leads if you want to. Fast thing to do. They're your leads now. You can post, talk to them, whatever. All right, so then you get your email swipes. Now, your master email swipes, I recommend not purchasing these. I gave you email swipes that you can use for free. And also, if you got HBA Premium, guys, you got HBA Premium, you can click on emerging content machine, ask it to give you an email for you. All right, guys, you can just do that for more emails. But I give you emails as well. So there's no reason to buy the master email swipes. I will get a commission if you do buy them, but you don't need them at all. Because like I stated before, I give you to them. Now you want to click on mailing system and you want to click select all for all your leads and make sure you send all your leads. You won't have as many leads as me at the beginning. You only have a few, but understand something about this system. It doesn't matter how many leads you got, because I've gotten sales on accounts like that. I got an account like this that does better than this account in general. So about this big here. So the size don't matter at all. Sometimes you get a really good account. Sometimes your account can be lower, but eventually you will get sales. You'll start getting sales. And yeah. So especially when it's just a numbers game when it comes to it. So anyway, we're gonna pick our next email. Now, once you got a ton of emails in the system, you don't really have to write them no more. And I show you a bunch of emails you can use. I showed you a different way to get emails. So yeah, man, you won't have to write a bunch of emails at all, guys. So we're gonna click on, hold up, let me see if that's the Get Money Day. Let's go with that one. We load it up. All right, guys, so pause the video and copy if you're interested in copying, guys. I'm gonna give you a chance to copy the email if you want to. So we're just gonna scroll down here, pause, copy, scroll down, pause, copy. All right, scroll down. That's it. You put your link right here, guys. All you gotta do is click on link here. You know how to put a link in there. That's the simplest thing in the world. So once you do all that, you want to make sure you hit perfect timing. What perfect timing will do, it'll send an email around time people like to check their email, so it's a better chance of them checking it out. All right, guys, so you want to hit preview next. You want to click on preview, scroll down, click on your link to make sure your link is working. My link is working. All right, guys, my link works. So, and then you send your email and then you're done, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple process. And like I stated before, what I showed you only took me about 9 minutes to show you. 8-9 minutes, something like that. Now, when you get a bunch of emails in here, it'll only take you, this is the only step you really need to do. Just log in, send an email, boom, you're done for the day. That's all you gotta do, and you'll make that money, guys. It'll start stacking up eventually. And now I'm making more money than ever. It's slowly building up. I made so much money last month. So with this simple process, guys, it's working for me. And if you go harder than me, guys, you'll easily make a ton of money. So that's all it is to it, guys. Now make sure to, like I stated before, if you're interested, the links, I showed you the links. They are in the description below. Easy to figure out, easy to follow along. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.